Hi, 8th graders. Today in Algebra, your only job is to complete numbers 1 through 12 on this translating to symbolic sentences practice. Please upload a picture of your finished work to Google Classroom. We can do one or two together. And this is what we are doing in the Google Meet as well. So if you were not able to join the Google Meet, you can keep watching. If you were, you can stop watching. Here, let's look at number 1. Number 1, and please note it says let x equal the unknown for each problem. So for each of these, you will have x. You do have to say what x is or what x represents, and then write and solve an equation. So you have to write an equation, and then you will solve it and define your variable. Here, number 1 says Ken is thinking of a number 9 more than the product of 4, and the number is 73. Find Ken's number. So here I'm going to say that x is our unknown variable, and it's asking us to find the number. And I'm going to say x equals number. Here, I know my equation is 9 more than the product of 4 and the numbers, so 4x. And it says 9 more than that. And then remember, is means equals, and then we have 73. So that would be our equation. When we solve this, you would need to subtract 9 from each side, and then we would get 4x equals 64, and we can divide each side by 4 to get x equals 16. So here 16 would be my answer. I do want to note that sometimes we might need to include labels like the next problem. We can take a look at that as well. Number 2 says Zorna weighs 92 kilograms. Her weight is 6 kilograms more than half of her father's weight. How much does her father weigh? So here I'm going to say that x equals, it asked us to find her father's weight. And my equation will be, I know Zorna is 92 kilograms, and that her weight is 6 kilograms more than her father's weight. So here I will say her weight is 6 kilograms more than her father's weight. So to represent that, I can say 92 equals 6 plus 1/2, which you can represent as this 1/2, or you could leave a space and draw in 1/2 of x. That is her father's weight. I'm going to draw in my 1/2. Here I have Zorna's weight. I know her weight is half of her father's weight plus 6. And if we use our tools to solve this, I can subtract 6 from each side. 92 minus 6 leaves me with 86 equals 1/2. I want to note that we can multiply by the reciprocal to get x by itself. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, and so I can multiply each side here by 2. Here, 86 times 2 is 172. Because of space, I am showing my work horizontally, but if you are doing this on a piece of paper, I hope to see your work shown vertically. 72 equals x because 1/2 times 2 is just 1. Please also remember that we know her father's weight is 172. We can label this number as kilograms. And if you wanted to check your answer, you could substitute 172 back in for x and see if you get the correct answer. Same thing up here with 16. We could do 4 times 16 plus 9, and we should get 73 if you found the right answer. Thank you for watching. Continue on with these, and the key is linked in the may do so you can check as you go.